This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Luxury beachfront living at Gables Condo. This sought-after 2-bedroom, 2-bath first FL unit offers stunning ocean views and direct beach access. Open floor plan with modern finishes, furnished kitchen, and airy living space leading to a private patio. Primary suite with walk-in closet and ensuite bath, spacious guest bedroom. Coastal comfort awaits. Other fees and exclusions may apply. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-3056.